So here I have this rose petal satin foot mask. I'm gonna be using it on my foot. I don't want to show you guys my foot, but like who wants to see my foot? Like I don't know. I might a little glance, but that's it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks to put it on before my feet is how dry it is, and then after. Do you see if you see a difference? Um, and basically that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually leave it for the full 20 minutes and then come back and finish the video. I'm not gonna wait an hour. That's too long to wait. It's best 20 minutes. It always says 20. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. 10 to 20 minutes. So 10 to 20 minutes. I might just do I'll do the full 20 so you guys could see the full, see the max potential it could have on that. And I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on it. I already used this. So like this is my last pack. Like so I already know I'm gonna like it. Just to show you guys how good it is. I'm gonna well, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So it's very easy to rip, as you just saw. Didn't even require much strength. Thank goodness. 'Cause I feel weak right now. The scent of it, it smells the rose. If you like that scent, then it's not that strong. I don't like it. I don't like the scent, but it's still good. I'm not gonna lie, it's still good. And my feet feel nice, and it's away from your feet anyways. So does it really matter? This is how it looks like. My feet are like I'm a 9. I wear it. My shoe size is 9. This is big. It'll fit. It's like fits plenty of ankle size too. So that's great. Let me show you guys. Wait. See, there's my foot. It's a little dry here. So let's see if it fixes up. So I'm gonna put this on my phone just to make sure I'm doing this correctly. It's like that. So make sure. I don't think you can accidentally. Yeah. Okay. So you open it like that, and it's liquid in there. It's like not even a liquid. It's just around the sides. It's like damp. So, and here's a sticker. You're gonna wrap this around your ankle. And it's slipping it on like a shoe, basically. And then you take off the sticker. Let me show you guys again. Okay, I take off the sticker and I'm gonna wrap it around. So it's been more than 20 minutes. I left it on for like 30, 40. Let me take these off now. So I took the first one off. And see, it was very easy to slip off. And let me just show you guys how my feet look. See, it's like way more moisturized than the first time. And it's not like super damp in the moisturizer. It's just like I just applied lotion really. So my feet feel very nice, soft. I definitely needed to moisturize my feet. And yeah, I definitely recommend this product for people who feel like their heels are kind of hard cracked, anything like that, and they want something that's like effortless because this doesn't take a lot. Like you just slip them on, go about your day. And I left it for an hour, like close to an hour, and nothing happened. Like my feet are soft. It didn't burn, nothing. It's just relax and slip them on. So I definitely do recommend this product. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm going to be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's going to be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products that I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.